They can't fly.
It's the spirit chicks, y'all.
She got it. She got it. She got it. She got it. She's got it.
Okay, we need someone tall.
Dad.
There's a bird nest out here.
Wait, is there one baby birdie on
Hey, Harry, look at me.
There's no more. That was the last one.
Real.
Can you see if he stays in there? Because he doesn't fly well.
You can't stand there.
Watch out.
No, we made an Spider-Man.
You got it.
Spider-Man, Dad. What was that?
I think a piece of the
swear.
All right, stay.
If that was the chick,
Stay.